Today we're going to Hilton. You know, we already go to Hilton in Clark, which is on 2021. So in this 2022, we're going to Hilton, but it's Manila. So by the way, Happy New Year from Julian Luis. By the way, 2021, it's been a good time seeing you and memories, but it's time to move forward to 2022, of course. So guys, I'm with Tita Grace, my mom, and then Kuya Jungle, of course. By the way, if you want to watch the good part, you must see it. Please, see it! Pasukin mo!
Continue for 22 kilometers.
It's so scary, but we had fun.
Yeah, this is my first time to drive here. Hello, Happy New Year. Adventure, Julian, jump on.
2022 adventures.
Meters. Turn right after Metropolitan Bank and Trust Company on the right. Continue on España Boulevard for 1 kilometer.
Happy New Year mga sis! Hello! Pupunta kami ng Hilton, Manila kasi tinreat kami ng ate ko. Pwede ko ba sabihin yun?
Yes!
Ayan.
Kasi nakabenta siya sa aking mga items. Bili na kayo sa Lazada.
Ayan guys, so dahil masipag kami ngayong 2021, meron kaming treat from my sister. Yan, kaya pupunta kami ng Hilton.
Relax kami ng isang
mag-relax daw kami ng 1 day. Ayan o, yung pimple ko sumama rin. So guys, gusto nyong bisitahin ang store ng aking sister, pwede nyong puntahan sa Bagara Home PH. Nasa Lazada siya, online. Napakabilis niya pong mag-deliver. Bilis po yung makukuha yung inyong mga orders. Basta mag-check out lang kayo sa Lazada. So maraming mga mugs, home decor, home needs. Yan, makikita nyo doon. Mga pangregalo. So actually marami kaming dispatch na items, mga pangregalo itong Christmas. Kaya nakarami kami ng benta. So later on, di-discuss namin yan. So ngayon, magbabakasyon muna kami, mag-happy-happy muna kami. Samahan nyo kami kung ano man ang magandang events ngayon. Okay?
3 kilometers.
Ayan, sabi ni Google, 10 minutes na lang daw, kaso saan kami dinadala, kaya mukhang matatagal ako.
7 minutes na lang.
7 minutes na lang. O, ayan, malapit na pala. Ayan, nandito na kami. Ikot na lang kami ng konti at nasa Resort World na kami. Ano ba yun? Yung Hilton nasa Resort World? Magkakatabi lang sila. Okay.
Remember 170 pesos lang din sa gilid.
Sige, thank you po. Salamat. O sige.
Wala kasi kami ng RFID ng Skyway, kaya nagbayad kami ng manually.
Turn right.
Now na. Lahat tinatanong kita, Google, sabi mo, nauna.
I mean, finally, after pain, scared, and fear of the heights, we finally made it to Hilton.
This is the parking. Chinese.
Ching going.
Yan.
Okay. Happy New Year, kuya! Okay.
Madali mo na kami, ha?
Hilton, di ba ma'am?
Yes.
Basement 4.
Ah?
Basement 4 kayo pupunta.
Basement 4?
Oo.
Okay, so pinakababa pa?
Yan po yung basement 2 na.
Oo, ito na ito.
Ito para pagkaliwa nyo dyan, basement 3. Kaliwa, basement 3.
Ay, lahat pa kaliwa?
Hindi, isa lang. Isang kaliwa, basement 3, tapos kakanan ka na.
Yung 4.
Basement 4, papapa uli. Then dito na side yung elevator niya kasi dito yung Hilton.
Ah,
Sa kabila, facing airport naman yun.
Okay.
Sheraton yun.
Ano pangalan mo, kuya?
Ace Moralidad, at your service, Tobong Bacolod, Negros,
okay, kuya. Okay? Okay, basta pag ano yan, pag 3 kaliwa,
Yeah.
tapos pakanan.
Baba.
And then yung elevator na dun
Dito
sa...
sa
Oo, hindi po muna kami Resorts World muna din eh. Kasi mamaya ako mag-check-in.
Hilton,
Doon,
facing yung mall.
magkaharap lang na.
Sige.
Thank you.
Anong channel yun, ma'am? Para mapanood ko naman yung...
Ay, ano sa Julian Lewis YouTube.
Ba, naka-YouTube na ako.
One eternity later.
And go back to the ground floor after this.
Yeah, looks like it's heavy. Ayan, nandito na kami sa lobby. Nag-check-in lang yung ate ko para makapasok na kami sa aming room. Ayan, relax lang muna yung mga kids kasi napagod sila. Ayan. Hi, Julian. What do you feel? What's that?
Chill. I'm fine. And right now.
So, what are you looking forward?
Swimming.
What else? The food.
The room also.
At the room, okay. You're gonna have a room tour?
Yes.
Swimming pool already, baby?
But there's an entrance right there.
We're gonna change our clothes first in a room.
And we'll swim.
Yeah. Ano yan? What do we have there?
Drinks daw.
Can I see? Ano yan? Free? Wow, may free tayo. Ayan guys, meron kasi kaming free drink, refreshment, ganon. So, mag-ano muna kami, mag-refreshment muna kami while waiting for our room. Yan. This is our space here. Yan.
Meanwhile,
enjoy ka? Wala pa man, no?
Opo, sarap dito.
Oh, mag-enjoy ang baby ko. We're gonna enjoy the rest of our stay here, okay? What are you looking forward? You're looking forward to swim?
Like I said, swim, eat, and staycation.
Yeah, staycation.
That's all.
Sleep in a good bed. This is Tita Grace's gift for us, no? She treated us for a Hilton. So last year, we've been to Hilton. They also went for Virgin Paul's birthday, no? We made a vlog about it. And today, New Year, another New Year. It's been a year. So, we're making another vlog. This time, Hilton, Manila.
Okay.
Ayan, andito na kami. May room na kami. Pupunta kami ang room namin ay 646. Late ba tayo? Late kaya may free drinks tayo? Medyo na late yung namin, pagbigay ng room sa amin. Kaya, meron kaming complimentary drink. Ayan.
Okay. Open that. It's a nice green. Oh, wow.
O, yung bag nyo. Wow, it smells good. Smells good.
This is how we see ourselves. Or I have no idea what to say here. Bathroom. So yes, this is the sink. This is where we wash our hands and stuff. So this is the toilet where we can just pee people. Right over here is dental kit and sanitary bag. But it's also known as the hygiene kit box. There's hygiene inside here. If you want to be safe, then use this. This is the shower. This is where we take a bath, of course. This one is shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo. I don't have an idea what this is. Also this. For your own safety. First, let's go move on to this, which is called the tub. First, this is where we take a bath, but instead it's fun. I'm right here! Bloopers! This is fine. But I forgot there's no water. Okay.
We're gonna use that later.
Yep, let's go move on. This one is the towels where you dry yourselves and just clean. The buff comforter. And what's this? Flashlight. Ay, help me. Come on, help. Wait, just put it back right there. This is the water bottles where you can just drink water and stuff. And what is this? Kettle. And what's this inside? And coffee, tea. Okay, let's go move on to our room. This is the TV right here. This is the thing for our safety and protection. It's the thing where it stores remote. This is the desk.
Kuya is having a relaxing moment.
It wants a relaxation moment.
And Tita Grace also.
This is the bed. Also this. This is so comfy. So what is this?
Let's see. Alarm.
This is the temperature balancer.
So mataas. So we did just see the view of the swimming pool. What is Chromecast?
There's a window. Look how tall we reached.
Yeah.
But I'm still scared.
So andito na kami guys sa 6th floor. 6th floor ang aming room. So ang maganda naman kasi tahimik dito. Ayan. Kuha kami ng double bed dahil 4 kami, 2 adult and 2 kids. So tigisa kami niyan. So maya-maya magre-relax muna kami para ma-enjoy namin yung moment yung aming room. Medyo makulimlim yung araw ngayon. Ayan, medyo makulimlim, maulap. Actually, mahangin sa labas kanina. May ano tayo, may password. You can ask Tita Grace about the password.
Tita Grace.
So guys, dahil ang hawak ko, ino muna ako. May water sila dito. Ang ganda na lalagyan. Ito, bottle siya. Bottle na glass. Ino muna tayo. Masarap. Lasang tubig. Siyempre, lasang tubig.
Ayan guys, bababa muna kami kasi napapaswimming na yung mga kids. Ayan, nagre-ready na kami. Magsiswimming kami. Ayan. Outfit. Let's go. Come here, Julian. Ay, wala akong face mask. May face mask ka dyan? Ah, sige. Kailangan guys, lagi naka-face mask kasi required. Nag-face mask muna tayo kasi kailangan natin mag-face mask. Ooh, look at this.
Third floor.
Third floor, swimming pool.
Yeah.
You're going to Brazil.
Julian. Turn around, Julian. Show me your swimsuit.
So we're getting towel. Yes. We get wet.
Dami tao. Lamig! Ay, look, oh. This is the bubble. Baby, look, oh. It's a plastic.
Made out of plastic.
Ayan guys, ang ganda nito. Plastic siya, oh. Plastic. So, kung gusto mo mag-dine-in, pwede dito. Ayan. Parang VIP room nila. Bubble egg yan. Bubble dine-in area. Ayan. Look, oh. Tatlo siya, tatlo. Uy, lamig! Diyos ko, ngayon pa, napakaraming napakalakas ng hangin ngayon. Grabe. Are you excited to swim?
Yes.
Yan.
Yes.
Look. What? Is it hot? Hot dito, no?
Are we dreaming?
Hi! Ayan, no? Swimming lang kami.
Are we dreaming? Are we dreaming?
Water is warm, no? Yeah, it's kind of cool. Yeah. Yay! Guys, yung water dito sa banda dito, mainit. Ang hangin ngayon, araw na to, pero napakasarap higaan kayo. Pero banda doon, medyo malamig yung water. Para siyang jacuzzi temperature. Ang ganda dito, may parang ilaw-ilaw. Sarap mag-relax dito. Ayan. Diba? Ito, paano makapagbakasyon, makapag-relax? Ano masasabi mo? What can you say? The swimming is good! The swimming is good. So, So, gusto lang talaga niya mag-swimming. Wala na masyadong maraming salita-salita. Yun lang. Gusto nila kain, swimming, ganyan lang. So, guys, enjoy lang kayo manood. Salamat sa mga nanonood sa aming vlog. Sige, 1, Mamaya kakain kami kasi nagutom na kami. Tanghali lang yung nakain namin kanina. Pizza lang. So, mamaya parang gustong-gustong kong kumain ng marami. Actually, dito sobrang init ng water. Ayan. So, Julian, enjoy na enjoy pa siya. Eddie boy! Ayan. I gotta go. Grabe! Ang lamig pero init naman yung water kasi may heated siya. Heated water pool. Tapos sa mga kids mag-swimming and then later on, magdi-dinner kami kasi we're hungry. Hungry na kami for food. Dito kami kakain later. Sa kusina. I was yours, you were mine.